Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to hide all posts on Facebook in just one click. Before starting, just make sure your Facebook app is updated. You can update this from Play Store or App Store. Open your Facebook, tap on Profile, scroll down, tap on Setting and Privacy, tap on Setting, scroll down, tap on Activity Log. Tap on your Facebook activity. Tap on Manage Post. Just tap on the filter on the top left corner. Tap on Categories. Tap on your posts, photos and videos. You can check all on the top left corner. Tap on the three dot. Change audience. Again tap on change audience. Here just you can click on only me. Tap on change. Now it's done. Thank you for watching this video and see you again.